Hey y'all, Lily here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how I go about sublimating a mouse pad. A simple, quick, straight to the point video on how I sublimate my mouse pads. Should you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, so here I am printing out my design for my Epson 2720 printer. If you don't have a sublimation printer, that's perfectly fine. There is a lot of vendors out there that sell sublimation transfers. I sell sublimation transfers. You can go to my website at www.chimpysdesigns.com. I will go ahead and leave that in the link in the description box below in case you want to check that out. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be sublimating a mouse pad. So all we're going to need is our sublimation transfer, our mouse pad, our butcher paper, and our heat transfer tape, and of course our heat press. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to go ahead and press my mouse pad. I like to do this because it's supposed to be pressed at medium to heavy pressure, so I like to make sure that I set my pressure correctly before applying my heat transfer paper. And after a few attempts, I finally got it to the pressure that I wanted. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab my sublimation transfer paper. I printed this design on an 8x14, so I have to go ahead and chop off the other designs that I don't need for my mouse pad. Right, and then once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and grab my mouse pad and my sublimation transfer, and I'm going to go ahead and place my sublimation design on top of my mouse pad, and then I'm going to go ahead and put a bunch of heat transfer pieces of tape all around it. And it should look like this. When it's all done, I just tape it down, put a piece of butcher paper at the bottom, and then put a piece of butcher paper at the top, and then I'm going to go ahead and just press it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds at a heavy to medium pressure. And that's pretty much it. And then you have your mouse pad once it's all done. As you can see, it's super bright, super vibrant. I do have a video comparing different sublimation papers, so don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell to stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. If I missed anything at all, feel free to comment down below and I will do my best to assist you in the best way possible. I do have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I would greatly appreciate the support over there. Once again, thank you so much for watching and have a great one.